guys! Welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Happy Louis Vuitton Day, guys, and you know what that means. For today, I'm going to share to you up-and-coming Louis Vuitton bags. I'm going to share to you everything that you need to know, from product names, prices, product codes, product features, and launch dates. All you need to do is just kindly ready your phones and laptop to take a screenshot. And for orders and availability, kindly check the website or your CAs. I'm inviting you all to please stay tuned until the end of our episode, and happy shopping! Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 5,000 subbies. We're almost there. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video. And follow me on my new Instagram account, that's at Ramiro52, for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright guys, so let us start first with the Twist Slim size MM. Launching of this one is this month, April 2025. Price of this is 4,100 euro or 5,000 USD. We have SKU here. Material is Tyrolean leather with cowhide leather trims, color squart. It would come with detachable leather strap, detachable chain strap, and bag charm. Next, we have another Twist Slim PMs. I love the colorway of this one, which is noir or black. Price is 3,800 euro or 4,700 USD. Guys, take note, this is a slim version of the classic Louis Vuitton Twist. So you're going to see it comes with two strap, leather strap, and chain strap as well. And of course, it is made of front leather. Next, guys, we have Twist Slim size MM. This time, price is 4,000 euro or 5,100 USD. Colorway of this one is navy, so this is the interior. It would come with gold hardware. Material, guys, is the very beautiful Tyrolean leather. It would come with detachable leather strap and detachable chain strap with bag charm. Hi guys, thank you for watching today's episode. Just a quick shout out for today's sponsors. Guys, you can now custom order your Zumoni bag organizers, bag accessories such as pouches, dust bags, and many more. And best part is you can now get 20% discount using my discount or coupon code Ramiro5. What I love having a Zumoni bag organizer is I customize to the way I like it. I chose a base material, collar, I added interior pocket, zipper, D-ring, and I added a base shaper to keep the structure of my luxury bags. Head on over now guys to Zumoni.com and order and customize your very own bag accessories. Thank you to Zumoni.com for sponsoring this part of this video, and now back to our vlog. Thank you guys! Alright, next would be the Capucines size Nano. Price of this one is 6,650 USD, launching April 2025 from the TWEED collection. Material is tweed fabric with embroidered sequins. How beautiful! And it would come with ostrich leather trims, detachable leather strap. It would come with detachable chain strap as well. Next on the collection, we have the Capucines Mini. For the price, please stand by, but we have SKU here, M12960 for your reference. Material is tweed fabric with embroidered sequins. Very reminiscent of Chanel, don't you think? So love the colorway of this one in navy. Of course, it would come with leather trims as well with detachable leather strap. Next on the collection, we have Capucines Supple size medium. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that right, but I'm guessing it's wrong. So price, guys, please stand by, but we have SKU here of 12929. Material is cowhide leather with leather trims. The color is taupe. It would come with detachable leather strap, and the bag charm is fully detachable as well. Next, Capucines. We have Capucines Mini East West. Price standby. SKU is 1M14393 from the Harmony collection. Material is leather with detachable leather strap and detachable charm strap as well. Love actually the feature of the East West because it's more modern for me and looks a little bit younger compared to the original version. Then guys, we have the Flight Mode Spring Summer 2025 collection. First, we have the Cosmetic Pouch PM. This would be launching April 11, 2025. Price is 700 USD. Material is monogram coated canvas with cowhide leather trim. Color is dune. It would also feature a wipeable interior. Next, guys, we have the Toiletry bag, which is 1,480 USD. We have SKU here. Material is monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims. It would be featuring print of vintage Louis Vuitton travel stickers. It would come with wipeable interior. We have here the dimension 9.4 by 5.1 by 5.1 inches. Next, guys, we have the Horizon size 55. Price is 4,050 USD. Same launch date of April 11, 2025. How cool and beautiful this one, and very chic when you're going to use this for your travel, because it would feature the print of vintage Louis Vuitton travel stickers, and of course it would come with monogram coated canvas with cowhide leather trims. Next, guys, we have Louis Vuitton bag charms from the men's pre-fall 2025. So we have the shell, we have the turtle raffia bag charm. This one is cute, mini shopper bag charm. I'm guessing the price of this one is around 900 to 1,000 USD. We have the starfish bag charm. We have the hotel key bag charm, and of course glasses holder bag charm. For the price, please stand by. But this one we have price Louis Vuitton cup bag charm. Price is 780 euro or 960 USD. SKU for your reference, kindly take a screenshot from the men's pre-fall 2025 collection. So this is made of leather with monogram canvas, and it would come with gold hardware, launching April 3rd, 2025. Guys, this one, Louis Vuitton donut bag charm, super cute. Price is 780 euro or 960 USD. SK is provided from the men's pre-fall 2025. It would come with the Louis Vuitton logo decor on the donut together with the sprinkles, and of course it would come with silver hardware. What I love about this one is definitely you could open the zipper and use it for your coins. Then we have the Louis Vuitton biscuit bag charm. Price is 605 USD. Material is leather. It would also come with monogram canvas, and it would come with silver hardware. So this is the front of the leather. It would come with the Louis Vuitton logo, and of course it would have a lobster clasp, so you could attach it to any Louis Vuitton bags that you have. Then of course this one I really like. So we have the Louis Vuitton chocolate bar bag charm. Price of the two is 695 for each. So for the cream, it has an SKU, and then for the chocolate, it has a separate SKU. Which do you prefer, guys? So this is the back side. So the back side of the chocolate charm is the Louis Vuitton monogram coated canvas. It would come with silver hardware. Next, we have, guys, the pochette vibe. So guys, these bags, the following bags that I will be discussing, are currently live right now on the website. So please check the website and your CAs. So price of the pochette vibe is 2,450 USD from the Lowkey collection. I actually love the design of this bag. Material is lambskin leather. This is a very modern design right now. Then guys, we have the anytime. So first is the size small. Price is 2,450 euro or 3,000 USD. We have SKU here. Material is the very beautiful Empriente leather. Color is black. It would come with fabric interior. So I love the gold chain strap is fully adjustable. It would come with padlock accessory that has already launched late March 2025. Then another bag, we have anytime small. Price of this one is 2,450 euro or 3,000 USD. We have SKU here. Colorway of this one is sand. The main material is the very beautiful Empriente leather. It would come also with fabric interior, adjustable gold chain strap, and it would come with padlock accessory. And last but not the least, we have the anytime but size MM. Price of this one is 2,650 euro. So we have two SKUs here, guys. Kindly take note. So for the black, it's M14324. For Tortorelle, this one is M14658. Material is Empriente leather with gold hardware. There, did you enjoy our episode for today? If you have stayed until this part of this vlog, kindly leave me with a shopping bag emoji. Thank you! Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 5,000 subbies. We are almost there. Thank you for your love and support. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video. And follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramir52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!